Okay, today let's look at the resistors connected in series and in parallel. Whenever we connect resistors in a circuit, it's either in series or in parallel. And to calculate the total resistance of the resistors connected either in series or parallel, we will do it by summing up the total resistance of every resistor in that circuit. Also, here we have two circuits. Here resistors are connected in series, and here resistors are connected in parallel. So we are going to do a basic calculation to calculate the total resistance of this circuit and the total resistance of the other circuit. So as I earlier said, the total resistance of a circuit connected in series equals to R1 plus R2 plus R2. That's the sum of all individual resistors. And if you're calculating the voltage across or the voltage of a circuit with resistance connected in series, V equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. And for resistors connected in parallel, 1 on R, that's the total resistance, equals to 1 on R1 plus 1 on R2 plus 1 on R3. Now let's calculate the total resistance of these resistors connected in series. So okay, R total, that's the total resistance of the circuit, is equals to 220, that's this value plus this value plus, so that's 220 plus 10 plus 100 plus 110 ohms, and that will give us 430 ohms. So the total resistance is actually the sum of all individual resistance, adding this plus this plus this. Okay, now at the other hand, let's calculate the resistance of the resistors connected in parallel. And you see that this is the formula. We have this, that's the value of this, 1 over the value of the first resistance plus 1 over the value of the second resistance plus 1 over the value of the resistance of the third resistor. And we're going to have this. Okay, so the total resistance for this is 220 ohms. So for resistors connected in series, we notice that the total resistance is always greater than all resistors in that circuit, all the resistance values in that circuit. Whereas for resistors connected in parallel, the total resistance is always less than the smallest resistance in that circuit. So you notice that the smallest resistance here is 5 ohms and the total resistance is 2.5 ohms. So that's how you calculate resistors. That's how you calculate resistors connected in series and resistors connected in parallel. In the next videos, we'll look at a combined circuit, resistors connected both in series and parallel. So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe, click on the notification icon so that you can be updated with the new content whenever we post something new. And I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time. Bye.